Tired of squinting at your screen or struggling to read road signs? It's time to ditch the glasses and restore your eyesight with one surprisingly simple trick that could help you see clearly once again. Introducing the power of eye exercises. Yes, you heard it right. While there's no magic cure for severe vision loss, incorporating targeted eye exercises into your daily routine can help improve eye health, reduce strain, and even enhance your vision over time. Here's how it works. Our eyes, like any other muscle, can benefit from a little workout. Regular exercises such as focusing on distant objects, eye rotations, and the palming technique, gently cupping your eyes with your hands to relax them, can boost circulation, improve focus, and alleviate eye strain. Why it works? Eye exercises help to strengthen the eye muscles, improve coordination, and enhance the focusing ability of the eyes. It's like giving your eyes a mini workout that keeps them in top shape. But wait, there's more. Combining these exercises with a healthy diet rich in vitamins A, C, and E, and minerals like zinc can give your vision a further boost. Don't forget to take regular breaks from screen time to prevent digital eye strain. Ready to see the world with clearer vision? Start incorporating these simple exercises today and watch your eyesight improve. Like this tip? Give it a thumbs up and keep your eyes on the prize: clear, healthy vision.